Welcome back everyone to another Amazon Garden Products review. Today we'll be taking a look at a solar powered water fountain that I bought off of Amazon a few days ago, and at the time that I purchased it, it was on sale, marked down to $13.99. This product already had good reviews and a lot of people had reviewed it, so I thought that I would take a look for it myself. Today we are looking at this solar fountain pump, 2.5 watts. There are several different spray head combinations and we will check those out today as well. Alright, this is everything that comes in the box. We've got an operations manual, the spout pieces, and the actual solar powered fountain part. Okay, I've got the instructions out here, I've got all of the flow heads listed out here, and let's go through each one. It does say here that the fountain lifetime is greater than or equal to 10,000 hours. There is a less than or equal to 3-second delay. It does say here the pump will automatically restart within 3 seconds when sunlight recovery, and then working hours during sunny days, and that there are 6 different nozzles. Other important reminders, it states keeping the surface of the solar panel clean, changing the water frequently, putting the solar pump fountain under sunlight. Without water, the solar function will not work. The water should be at least 2 inches or 5 centimeters deep and clean. And you should not use the solar fountain at water temperatures above 113 degrees Fahrenheit or 45 degrees C. It also says to please do not use the solar pump fountain in dirty or corrosive water. And for safety, any repair work should be done only by the manufacturer. Okay, so I have all of the nozzles here lined up here. And these are the different combinations that you can do, and we'll go through all of those. Alrighty, I've got a bowl of water here, and I'm doing the first configuration, and let's see how it does. It is a kind of a cloudy day out today, so let's just see what that looks like. Oh, geez. Oh gosh. A little bit sporadic. Okay. Not quite what I thought. Granted, it is a very slightly cloudy day out. Let's try the next configuration. Just for reference, this is what I mean by cloudy. The sun is about there. Okay, now we're going to try the second configuration. Again. So it is working, but really needs some constant sunlight. Okay, we're going to try the fourth configuration. It does feel like the sun is coming out of the clouds, so let's see what happens. It's kind of like a splash pad, I guess. So when the sun is out, it does have a nice little fountain effect. I think it really depends on what you are wanting this little fountain for. I personally bought this fountain because we have a lot of birds here and they like to kind of splash around in the bird bath, and I planned on putting this in like a little bird bath. And regardless of the flow of the fountain, the birds are going to love this. Now, if you wanted this for a water feature on your deck or something, yeah, definitely I would find something else. But for my purpose, I think this is going to be fine. There's no wires. It's not very complicated to use or to work. So, like I said, it depends on what you want this for. So in conclusion, 5 stars if you want it for the birds, 1 star if you're looking for a fountain. And yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and share this video. Go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube account if you like content like this. And while you're at it, go and find us on Instagram at Southern Shade Gardener. That's all. Bye for now.